Can your system's greatest weakness come from the very chips and circuits you trust? Vulnerabilities aren't just software bugs. They lurk in the physical devices you rely on every day. Let's explore how hidden flaws in hardware, firmware, and aging components expose us to unexpected risks. Hardware vulnerabilities are like cracks in the foundation. When the physical design of a device contains flaws, attackers can exploit them to bypass protections. For example, side-channel attacks use tiny electromagnetic signals or power fluctuations to steal sensitive information, sometimes even breaking encryption. Hardware vulnerabilities are especially dangerous because they can't be fixed with software updates alone. Firmware is the silent manager inside your electronics, essential code bundled with hardware. Weaknesses in firmware can allow hackers to take control before your operating system even boots. Once compromised, malicious firmware is almost invisible, giving attackers a dangerous foothold that's tricky to detect or remediate. End-of-life vulnerabilities appear when manufacturers stop supporting a product. Devices may keep running, but without essential updates or patches, the same components become ripe for exploitation. Think of it as driving a car with no seatbelt upgrades after newer safety standards come out. Finally, legacy systems paint a tempting target. These are older technologies, still used for convenience or cost savings, often not designed to fend off modern threats. Because their architecture is outdated and patching is rare, legacy vulnerabilities make it much easier for threats to sneak in unnoticed. In today's interconnected world, securing technology means looking past the surface. Protecting hardware and firmware, from the chips to the code, requires vigilance, planning, and the courage to retire outdated devices before attackers exploit the forgotten cracks beneath.